Welcome at this new tutorial where I'm going to learn you how to play 734 by Juice WRLD. As you saw in the intro, it's a difficult riff to play, but I'm going to divide this riff in 3 different steps. Step 1, only the bass notes. Step 2, the original riff the easy way. And step 3, the original riff. First you have to play the 5th fret on the A string 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you play the 3rd fret on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you play the 1st fret on the A string. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you play the 3rd fret again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to play this riff completely. And we start on the 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Again. 1, 2, 3. 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1st fret. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 to the 5th fret. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Once the 5th fret. Now we're going to play step 2, the riff the easy way. You have to place your ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string and your middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. And you have to play this rhythm. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. So, G, G, B, G, B again. G, G, B, G, B. But then you have to play the same rhythm but 2 frets lower in a different shape. And this shape is the 5th fret on the G string and the 5th fret on the B string. And then you have to play the same rhythm and it goes like this. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. And then you have to slide this exact shape 2 frets lower and you play the same rhythm again. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. And then you have to slide it up 2 frets again. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. So, the complete riff in a row. Ring finger on the 7th fret of the G string, middle finger on the 6th fret of the B string. 1, 2, 3, 4. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. Slide it. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. Now we have the basic of this riff, but there are 2 additions to this riff. We start on the 1st shape. We have to play this. G, G, B, G, B. It's exactly the same. Now we have to play this riff the 2nd time. G, G, B, G. And then you don't have to play the 6th fret with your middle finger, but the 8th fret with your pinky. So the 2nd time this riff is G, G, B, G, 8. So the 1st shape completely. 3, 4. G, G, B, G, B, and G, G, B, G, 8. Then we head to the 2nd shape, and the start is exactly the same. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, B. But you have to slide the last note with your pinky to the 6th fret. So the riff the 2nd time goes like this. Slide it. The 2nd shape completely. G, G, B, G, B, G, G, B, G, slide it. And the rest of the riff is exactly the same. So this riff completely. 3, 4. to 8. slide it. Now we're going to add the bass notes to this riff in step 3. First you have to play the 5th fret on the A string. Then you have to play the 7th fret on the G string. And then you have to play the 6th fret on the B string. And then the rhythm is exactly the same as step 2, but we're going to replace the first note with the bass note. So you get A, G, B, G, B, A, G, B, G8. And then we have to slide our index finger to the 3rd fret and then play the same rhythm with the same strings. And then make the slide with your pinky. From the start up to this point, 3, 4. Slide it. And then we have to slide this whole shape 2 frets down, so you get the 1st fret of the A string and the 3rd shape from step 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, G, B, G, B, A, G, B, G, B. Slide it up 2 frets. And now we're going to play this riff completely in a slower tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slide. Third fret. Again. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe and see you in the next video.